What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I've mentioned before, and I wanted to kind of give you not more information, but reiterate the things that they are doing, as well as look at the pre-sale and where things stand as of right now. So, before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit the like button and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out any of the links for 99 Bitcoins, you can check out those down below. I'll have those at the top of the description where you guys can do your research on what they're all about and whether you see benefit in being a part of this project as well. But I will have all the links down below so you guys can research it yourself, because I know that you probably want to do your own research. I would suggest that you do your own research as much as possible, no matter what the position is, no matter who's talking about it. That's what I do. I don't care what anybody else says. It's whatever I think and what I decide to invest into a play. People tell me all the time that I shouldn't invest into something. And I'm like, okay, thanks for your information. Thanks for your feedback. But this is my investment strategy, right? And you need to take in information as much as you can and take it all into consideration, but into consideration into your own strategy. So feel free to check out those links down below for 99 Bitcoins, as well as anything else that I have down below. But if we look at the project that we're talking about, which is 99 Bitcoins, it currently is in pre-sale. You can see that you have 5 days, 22 hours, and 57 minutes here. They've raised $2.2 million out of $3 million. This is the stage before the next increase that you end up seeing. Right now, the price per 99 Bitcoin is 11% of a penny. So, you're still getting in early stages at the moment. Obviously, it's pre-sale. It's really early stages. But if you look at how or what you can buy with ETH, you can buy with USDT, you can buy with BNB, you can connect your wallet, you can buy with a card as well. I like these pre-sales and what they offer and how many opportunities or options you have to purchase the pre-sale, which is always great to see, because then it opens the door for anybody that's not a part of the ETH side or doesn't want to pay the ETH fees. You know what I mean? So feel free to, again, check out the pre-sale. We'll provide the link to the website down below. They have their audit here if you guys want to go in here and check out their audit, which was done on April 6, 2024, just for security purposes and for you guys to have a better feeling about what you may be investing into. So 99 Bitcoins token, the future of learn to earn, which I always thought was very interesting because I'm a big fan of teaching. That's why I'm here, is to kind of teach you guys my style of investing, or not only just for you to copy one piece of it or any piece of it. It's for you to develop your own strategy. And that's what my goal is of this channel. And I'm sure their goal is to, teach people things, but also earn things in the process. So launching the new Learn to Earn token, 99 Bitcoins, is designed to reward individuals for learning about cryptocurrency. The classic 99 Bitcoins platform is integrating with BRC20 to pioneer the L2E model on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, I think that this is big, and the reason why I think this is big is because when you think about it, Coinbase offers something of this, right? Where it's like a learn to earn. They have a certain coin that they may partner with or whatever, and then they have a certain amount that they're offering in order for people to learn about that project a little bit more and kind of teach people about that project. It's a way of marketing for the position that they're partnering with. But it's also great to understand blockchain in general. And I feel like this is a benefit in two areas, right? You're learning as well as you're earning. So it's better than even, play to earn type of things, because you're playing, you're not really learning anything from it. You're not really getting anything out of it besides the excitement, the entertainment portion of it. But, the earning portion, you're always gaining something from that. The community, 709K followers. You have subscribers of 2.8 million. Crypto courses of 79 hours there. So 99 Bitcoins token is seen in CoinDesk, Cryptonomic, You have, what do you have? Crypto News, Techopedia, News BTC, CoinDesk, all of that, right? Earn as you learn. When my points launch, when my points launched, the world's first rewards platform in 1996, it started a trend that eventually led to the tokenization of rewards. Crypto's successful play to earn and move to earn models amassed a staggering $8.9 billion market value in 2023. Now, 99 Bitcoins is pioneering the next evolution of rewards with learn to earn. So it brings a whole new model that's in here, launching the BRC20 powered platform. As you can see, how that does look with blockchain basics, DEX and CEX trading, just understanding that, blockchain safety, trading courses, and so on and so forth. Since 2013, 99 Bitcoins is the most comprehensive online learning resource in crypto. BRC20 focused. The BRC20 standard enables the minting and transferring of fungible tokens on Bitcoin. And you combine the two into 99 Bitcoins token. Together, 99 Bitcoins leverages a BRC20 to create a synchronosis learn to earn platform that rewards users for learning about crypto. What you get on the 99 Bitcoins platform, interactive crypto learning. You have 99 Bitcoins token rewards. You get BRC20 tools and education. Also, crypto trading signals. The Bitcoin halving effect. And then also community engagement. So on April 19th, 2024, marked the date of the latest Bitcoin halving, a pre-programmed event that happens every 4 years as the amount of new Bitcoin mined reduces by 50% per block. As the new supply decreases and the demand for Bitcoin decreases or increases, as more new investors discover crypto, so will the need for the 99 Bitcoins token and our learn to earn ecosystem. A little bit more about them, right? 99 Bitcoins token holders exclusive training courses, trading signals and strategies, VIP community groups, and mentoring. Earn rewards for staking tokens. 99 Bitcoins token rewards. Progress through our extensive curriculum and participate in 99 Bitcoins community to earn 99 Bitcoins directly to your wallet. The token rewards can be used to view premium content, access discounts on partner products and services, and trade on chain. The different metrics for it, right? 99 Bitcoins has 99 billion total supply. 10%, 10.5% to pre-sale, 14% to staking, 27% to project funds, community reward 17%, liquidity 8%, marketing 23% there. So we're looking to put a lot into marketing and a lot of effort into marketing. 99 Bitcoins aims to become a premier knowledge hub and rewards ecosystems for every crypto investor. Here is their roadmap and what they have planned for Q3 of 2024, Q4 of 2024, and beyond. Obviously, CEX listing, learn to earn optimization, and beta platform released. You have the bridge to BRC20 complete, and so on and so forth. They do have a 99K Bitcoin airdrop. We're dropping $99,999 worth of Bitcoin to 99 community members who join the Learn to Earn revolution early. So go ahead and check that out if you guys want to be a part of that as well. Also, some information on staking 99 Bitcoins token. You have a welcome to 99 Bitcoin token staking. Stake 99 BTC to earn more 99 BTC at a dynamic rate. Rewards are paid out on every Ethereum block. 14% of the token supply will be distributed over 2 years. Rewards are calculated based on your staking pool percentage and the estimated rewards percentage. Estimated rewards percentage, as you can see here, is 759% there. But obviously, things are dynamic. Things will change, as you can see, with the rewards that you have there. Different rewards that are claimed. You're talking about 80 million that has been claimed in June of 2024, 87.8 million, or 87.8 billion. It looks like billion, but it says here, oh, that's 80,000 million. So 87.8 billion. That's there. So anyways, this is something that I've talked about before. If you guys want to know a lot more, you can go into their white paper. I'm sure you can read all about it. You can go on their website. They offer a lot of information on here. It is 5 days away, so you have some time to think. It's 5 days away to the next stage if you want to invest at this level. But obviously, once they raise a certain amount, then that's kind of capped for this stage, right? So then you would end up moving there. So you never know how high that's going to rise, how far that's going to go, how many people are going to get into it, and all of that. But make sure you guys check out 99 Bitcoins. I'll have all the links down below. I feel like I've been talking for a very, very long time. Every link, we'll have the website, we'll have the Twitter account, which the Twitter has grown to about, 21,000 followers here. So you know that they're gaining popularity and people are getting excited about what they could offer. They're taking their time launching and getting out there when things are at their highest. So make sure you guys check this out. Link will be down below. I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.